maybe is against the punch. Never forget, on this side, so we've got this hand in front, it's literally the form. He could be just clinching. Yeah. So, the play guitar posture allows me to intercept the clinch 50-50 at my strongest point. Okay. I don't need to cape both sides. He's going to be going for both, but as long as I've got one side compromised just a little. Okay. So there. So I've got, that's all I want. Remember, this is defensive. He's not going to clown around. You're not going to grab. Yeah, that's what I got. Now from here, can I? And I may not get that far. Goes. Other arm. What? Yeah. And there's your other application of this, striking into the carotid. So the purely defensive applications of this against some sort of grab attack. Because I want to, in a strong position, not in a clinch situation, want to avoid that. I can attack this arm or that arm. Beauty of this arm is if I've knocked it in, it's turned and I've broken its structure. You're all familiar with this idea. If I pulled him straight, but the moment I've broken his structure, so the beauty of this is he's going into the clinch, I've broken it. See how he's gone offline? Now from there, it's easy to pull. Now when he goes back, he's only pulling back fast. So other people, if he could pull back slowly, would dream that this would be, yeah, that's really not likely. He's going to be moving at all kinds of speed. So that's why there is more likely. Boom, bang. And I've got this, and I've got that, both sides striking either side of the carotid. So if he's turning his head the other way, get him there, he turns his head the other way, I'll get him there. I'm still going to get one of the sides and give him a fairly nasty knock on what is a good target to strike.
Sorry. From there.
He clinches, I clinch him. One of the big scary things about the clinch is you don't want to give up an advantage, and it's the old grip reflex. I've got something I don't want to let go. So if I can sacrifice one of the arms already, maybe I'm on the inside, which gives me even more. But it's very unlikely that usually one, maybe one and one, maybe something like this, yeah? I'm reluctant to relinquish one of the arms, but what if I did? Well, what if I relinquished both? That is not a good result, because look how weak I am from there. What are you going to do, Steve?
Oh, me.
Yeah, but look at my cross my body. Look, my this is crazy, huh? So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bring this near my neck. That's the last thing I want. Okay. But I can relinquish one arm here by simply bringing it to there. Neither side wants to give up. But if you follow around here, Steve will be quite happy actually to let go of his lead arm and slide it down to there. Now he can take the other arm, but not across. He takes the other arm there. Yeah, as per the form. I'm here, there. I'm tempted to go there, I slide to there, there. All right. It's not guaranteed, obviously, but it just goes to show what I'm going to do here is I'm going to relinquish that arm, make that arm weak, the hold weak by bringing this leg back so that I'm in the standard form. He's going to want to glue this as tight as he can to my chest. Okay, that's his best hold. I'm going to push back, relinquish the hold on him. From there, I can move this arm over to there. I've got him. Now from there,
You're against someone who's quick and you'll wrestle a bit, so sometimes you'll go pull down, and then as soon as he reacts, then you can go.
Exactly.
then-
Right. So,
But-
try it again.
I can't remember what he did, but it stopped me from. I didn't think I could do it.
Well, what
So,
happened? He said that.
Well, let's
Put the arm through.
show. And we'll see.
I think he collapsed both arms.
All right. So, I'm going to do it the wrong way.
So then if you go this way, I instantly have you in a triangle.
He's got me, or you've got me. Look. Okay. But look what. Make it tight.
And that's the arm coming across the top.
I'm clenching. I'm going to collapse there. Now, by collapsing both arms, yeah, he's going to want to slip around now and pass from there. But he's already found that hole compromised. I brought this leg back. So by bringing this leg back, he's now got to work around. He's going to try and snake around. And all that does is feed into my grab, you see. That's why he instinctively didn't go for the pass.
Yeah.
Because all it did was simply feed into mine. Whereas if I didn't collapse that side,
Yeah, that's good.
I'm giving in and I'm doing that circle. I'm actually doing that circle. He can try and sneak around. The more he sneaks around, the more it's compromising. And this is becoming like Aikido.